To duplicate a section, hover over the section, click the three-dot menu, and then select Duplicate. The duplicated section will appear at the bottom of the page. You'll be able to see the new section immediately after it's added. If you want to rename a section, click the three-dot menu again and select Rename. Enter the new name and press Enter to save it. To hide a section, hover over it, click the three-dot menu, and select Hide. The section will no longer be visible on the live site, but it will still be available in the admin panel. If you want to make the section visible again, click the three-dot menu and select Show. If you want to remove a section entirely, click the section name, open the three-dot menu, and select Delete. This will permanently remove the section from a page. You can also reorder sections by simply dragging and dropping them into the desired position on the page. This makes it easy to change the layout and structure of your content. There's another way to delete a section as well. Click on the section name to open the section settings, scroll to the bottom, and you'll find the option to remove the section there. Now let's look at how to manage blocks. Blocks work very similarly to sections. When you hover over a block, you'll see a three-dot menu with options to rename, duplicate, hide, or delete the block. You can also delete a block from within the block settings by scrolling to the bottom and selecting Remove Block. To reorder blocks, simply drag and drop them within the section, just like you do with sections.